Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm you have admin rights and note your Windows version so you use correct commands. Once done, create a system restore point. This protects you if changes misbehave. Next, close all apps and disconnect printers, USB drives, and non-essential peripherals to avoid file locks. Now open Task Manager and stop any suspicious processes, because failing services often block Windows security from opening. Proceed immediately to the next step to address service and file corruption. You should restart core services next. Open Services, MSC, and restart Security Health Service and Windows Defender, WinDefend. Doing so reinitializes the security framework and often restores the UI. Then run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. These two commands fix deeper corruption that blocks the app. While they run, monitor Event Viewer for specific error codes, so you know you now reboot and test Windows security. A restart applies repairs and often clears transient locks. If it still won't open, run Windows Update to ensure platform components match. Mismatches can block the app. Next, use settings to reset the Windows Security app or reinstall the Windows Defender feature via PowerShell. If problems persist, create a new local admin account and test there. This isolates profile corruption. If the new profile works, migrate data and retire the broken profile to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.